First of all, there will be actually two changes in from this video. I used to do my earlier videos in Samsung Note, but I don't know after I updated my phone why the some app just closed, it just crashed. But and I turned off the blue light filter in my phone because the videos are coming little bit yearly, so I thought to turn it off. Please tell me how is the changes. So I made it. Video like, is physics really important in medical field? I have seen videos across YouTube. They're saying that physics is not important, why is so tough physics, blah blah blah. And some even told that no need to study NCERT in the time while you study NCERT, do some high level questions. But those you don't need to follow all those things. Those are very bad. But before I start, please do like and subscribe to our channel, because it is where you get the precise, concise and to the point data, which will save your time really. So okay, let's start. Okay, so is physics important in medical field? Okay, this is a picture. Wait, this is a picture of the athermatous plug, which occurs when when those cholesterols and all deposits, and then lipid laden macrophages come atherosclerotic plaque, then finally your atheroma forms everything. You learn pathology, but the basic principle is there in physics. If you apply, sorry, I don't know how it is so much. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, if we apply the equation of continuity, the velocity of blood flowing here, the velocity of blood flowing is much excess. So according to Bernoulli's theorem, the pressure outside this part is more. So when blood flows to this atherosclerotic plaque area, the surrounding tissue squeezes the part, so it causes more tissue ischemia. So here it is physics that help us to understand this concept. So physics is everywhere. It is a basic law. It's a basic science defining the laws of nature. So it's recorded in every field, also in medical field. And this is just not a simple site. Of course, optics and how physics is related there. There are many other places, plenty of other places. And equation of continuity is actually used in so many places. If I just tell the list, it will go on very long. Okay, so let's skip it. Okay, now, have you heard about Helmholtz double coil? He was a German physicist and physician. Thomas Young, a renowned physicist regarding wave optics, and you can see he told about astigmatism. So physics and this medical field was interlinked from very long period. Okay, now why you need to read NCERT? See, this is about the second law of thermodynamics, and such a beautiful paragraph is written here. See, for example, nobody has ever seen a book lying on a table jumping to a height by itself, but such a thing would be possible if the principle of conservation of energy were the only restriction. The table could cool spontaneously, converting some of its internal energy into an equal amount of mechanical energy of the book, which would then hop to a height with potential energy equal to the mechanical energy tackled. But this never happens. Clearly, some Addison basic principle of nature forbids them. So here, the thing is that you get the concepts from insect. It's such a beautiful thing that you get fall in love with the insect physics. Okay, now this type of questions you get it nowhere else, whatever book you may follow. And again, this is A equals to omega square R. The circular acceleration. These things, this kind of concepts, they're nowhere else except in ancient. And this, I didn't found it in the work and G Power PDF, but yeah, it was during my time book. Okay, not too old. But here these are for knowledge, these are concepts. They don't come in exam directly, but this type of things make the subject feel fascinating to you. Okay, now this is something a great book, SL Arora's Physics. Actually, I used to read those magnetism concept like this art and geomagnetism and all those magnetic moment. Those part are a little bit memorizing, but I found this book very much helpful. And electromagnetic wave, this thing actually is, if you read something a good book, it clears your concept. And many say that board and NEET physics are different. No, it's not different. Your concept is something, and this year many conceptual questions came, like a basic maths question came where you need to just do the DTDX and chain rule differentiation. So yes, I completed my HS in English medium though, but state board, the West Bengal board. So there was never the option that math or biology. No, it was either biology or computer or stats. So generally people used to take this. So math and biology is both there, but math actually helps, no? And they say you must do HCM must physics. Just it is just part two's picture there, but part one and part two both must be done. You should do it regularly in small amount. And many of you will say that how will we solve if doubts come? There are many apps, the HCM solutions, sensitive solutions. You just download this from Play Store. You can download a couple of apps, because if you don't find one itself, the other will be surely. So just do these things and physics should be very easy. Believe me, you just go on solving, applying formulas, memorizing formulas, but it's not about formula. Don't try to use formula. Like in Riemann problem, try to break the components of force instead of applying formula. And this is very, the surface tension formula, terminal velocity formula, you just use the gravitational force equals to the buoyancy plus the viscous force. So, like when you derive formula, clear cut, you need to have the clear cut concept. It helps. The formula memorizing doesn't help in long run. So that's all. If comment how did you like this video, and do say like and subscribe. Thank you.